Oh, I just look so cute in green. It is 8 something on December 3rd. I got my rental car. So the first thing we gotta do is adjust everything. So let's do that. Looks like it's an electric car, I think. How do I know if it's electric? It's definitely a push to start. Okay. Please tell me why I have Wisconsin plates. Like, what the first thing you gotta do when you get a rental car is adjust everything. All your mirrors, everything. Adjust everything. Also, like, why is this truck, like, blocking me? I mean, the guy was kind of cute, but, like, could you move? I'm trying to leave. Okay, so thankfully it has, like, the USB-C thing, so I'm about to aux up in this B. Come on, Zephyr Hills, let's move your booty. Let's move your booty. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I made it to Aventura. I made it to Hollywood, Florida, and what better stop than to head straight to the mall, but not really to shop, mostly to have lunch. So I'm gonna go find something to charge on the company card. This mall is so nice. I'm gonna add the name of the mall right now, but it's like Millennium Mall 2.0. Like, I feel like I'm in New York. No, why is this mall so nice? Are you kidding me? A Christian Dior Christmas tree? No. This is crazy. Ew. Will not show that disgusting store on my page. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, it's a whole exhibit. Look how cute. Oh my god, it continues? Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, mask up. Here we go. Oh my god, a Dior experience? Wait, I'm in the masquerade. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, it continues. I'm in the beauty shop by myself. Okay, fun fact, Christian Dior, the original Christian Dior, him and I have the same birthday. Oh my god, guys, it's like a whole maze. Should I like sit down and like do my makeup here? Like, I'm literally the only one here. I love this for me. Ball of Dreams. Oh my god, stop. That's so freaking cute. Have you guys seen the Cinderella story? Like, this is what it's giving. Okay, now we're in the perfume shop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's getting cuter and cuter. Oh my god. It continues. Oh my god. Okay, let's spritz some of this stuff. Let's spritz. Rogue Truffle Bar. Rogue Truffle Bar. Ooh, this smells good. Nope. Grizz Dior. Ooh, that one smells very like woodsy. What's this one behind you guys? Amber Wheat. Oh my god, no, that smells like a grandpa. I like this one the best. The first one I picked up.
These are really special limited pieces.
Okay, very
exactly.
cool, very
Really,
cool.
Again, we are lucky to have display, and then for the collectors that want.
That's so awesome. Wow. So I just got a little TED Talk, but apparently all these scents back here are only sold in like 17 locations in the world. So like, do I buy a bottle? Because I love that Rogue. I can't stop smelling this.
The bigger one, so it's a selection of 10.
Oh,
so this
okay.
is again something also
Okay,
very nice
I
so
like
you get
that.
to see. Exactly.
Okay. And then how much is this size?
So this is the smallest.
All right, Dior done got me. I'm making this decision solely. I'm making this decision and I'm proud about it because my birthday's coming up, so I deserve this. I deserve this. Me being a premium client. I told him my birthday's coming up, so, you know. Literally cry right now because why is that the only perfume I decided to buy happens to not be in stock, at least in this little store. But he's gonna go check upstairs. And at this point I told him, like, literally give me any size bottle, like I need to leave with it right now. But I got a little water while I wait, even though I don't really drink sparkling like that. But let's go find this Nike store. I should not be going in there. But this store looks cool. I don't know, what's up with this window display? Like, why frost out the clothes? This looks like super industrial. Okay, we have men's right up at the front on both sides. Like, why is the women's not in the front? I love them. Like, me and who, bro? They're so fly. This is a fancy Nike store. I would love to manage this one. I'm kidding. But imagine like doing a floor set here. Let's go upstairs. Fun fact, I actually opened the Nike store in Gainesville, Florida, which is my college town. Oh my God, this floor is huge. The women's stuff is up here. Super cute. Oh my God, green, green, green. I'm wearing green. Okay, I love this fit. She looks fabulous. Great job on the styling, guys. Cute. Okay, look at this fur coat. I need her. Oh my God, I love this store. It's like the prettiest Nike store I've ever seen. Okay, yeah, they eat. Especially this outfit, like I would totally wear that. I'm literally gonna walk up on my guy and give him one look, and if he doesn't smile back, I'm gonna cry. Awesome.
So put some samples inside. There is also a star of J'adore. So I'll reach to you now. Thank you.
Thank
you.
It was so nice
We keep in touch. We
yes,
keep really.
So I didn't leave with my signature scent that I adopted today, but I'm not leaving empty-handed. Oh my God, and I technically didn't have to pay for anything in this bag. So we'll see what's inside. That's so nice of him. And now I made an Italian friend. This is the correct way to leave a mall. Yup. Yup. Okay, that was a super fun time at the mall. Super nice pit stop just to pick up lunch and a few freebies at Christian Dior. Shout out to my friend Victor for hooking it up. I'm going to check into my hotel now, which is down the street from Aventura Mall. Super cool. So good to know I can always pop back if I need anything. But now I'm gonna go upstairs, check in, unpack, unwind. Since I'm traveling alone, I'm gonna go ahead and check in first, get my hotel key, and then come back for my luggage so I'm not like bombarded with things. But oh my God, we love a hotel with amenities and activities. Okay, so I got my room. I think I'm on floor 10, Avi. So the good thing about going to your room first after check-in is that you could take it all in. You don't have to like be bombarded with items. See, now I can like go and take my time. And I really like that this elevator is connected to the parking garage, so I can actually get my luggage and take this elevator right up to my room. That's not always the case at every location, so pro tip, ladies, be safe. Okay, why is this lobby so cute? Is that a bonsai? Oh, let me stop. Oh my God, okay, let's find my room. Super cute. I think I'm right I've never seen a blue room before. Okay, period. The double beds. Who's trying to come spend the night? Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Oh my god! Shut up. Literally shut up. Guys, I'm a star. Take it in. Take it in, take it in. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. I'm literally gonna cry. I have a card. Generic. Let's see what the view is looking like. Do I have water? Okay, we don't have water, but I think we're water adjacent. I can see Guitar Hero. Super nice. Super nice. I feel like the water is that way. I can't wait to see my name in lights. No one's gonna stop me. Let me stop playing around and go get the rest of my stuff. Oh wait, let's check out the bathroom. Did I get the ADA? Like, whoa. Pretty big. I'm taking a shower immediately. Okay, just kidding. I came to check out the pool. I came to check out the views. It's pretty hot out here. I should have brought my swimsuit. All right, there's nothing to see over there. A cute little outdoor area over there. I might come and bring my laptop up here and work. I like how they have a little bar. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. I feel like I'm on the cruise ship again. And a cute little area to work. Okay, nah, because what do these mean? I'm already dyslexic on these. Now, what does these mean? Oh my god. Bruh, press for a sign. Like, I don't know. Work the event at the Dolphins stadium, so stay tuned for clips from that. But look at me casually matching the 10th floor. So the event literally starts in 15 minutes and I am hauling A, but I'm at the stadium. It's so cool to be here at night. I feel like this is like the set of like Divergent. They filmed and made it look like apocalyptic Chicago. But anyways, I hope there's snacks. I mean, I ate, but I want to eat again, so. I'm working this event right now as the photographer, and there's a photographer. But you know what? It's okay, because I heard there's about to be an open bar shortly. So, just saying. That was a nice touch. Okay, it is Thursday afternoon. I checked out. I'm sitting in the hotel lounge area on the 6th floor, having a little lunch and getting some work done. And then I think I'm gonna drive down to like South Beach and just check out whatever installations are down there. I'm already dressed for the day, so stay tuned, but I need to go fix my hair in the bathroom before I leave because I did not have enough time this morning in between meetings, work, and all that good stuff. So here's a look of the day. The face is beat. I still have to fix my hair before I leave, but other than that, I think I'm about an hour away, so we'll see. I have no idea how I want to do my hair today. Like, I was thinking like a half up, half down vibe. Then I also thought about like a spiky bun. Oh my god, it's cute. What do you think? Should I do like a bun? This looks super cute. Wait, I don't know how I would pin it. I want to keep my blowout good until tomorrow. Or do I keep her down and do like this and be safe? I think I might just do this. we made it to, I don't even know where I am. I parked along, I guess, North Beach, but I'm headed toward the South Beach area, like Collins Avenue. I found a parking spot, parking lot, public parking. So now I'm just walking along this strip, along the resorts, and going to go look for this elephant installation on the beach. Ooh, they're setting up for something. Looks like a show tonight. Could be a DJ. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't walk on the beach this whole time, but I thought it would slow me down. I can already see some brown things popping up. Let's go see. Oh my gosh, I see the herd. Oh, they're all facing that way, huh? There's literally rows and rows of these elephants. It's so cool. And everyone's super nice too. I've been offering to take a bunch of people's photos and they've been helping me out too. So stay tuned for the results. All right, we're out here. I made it. I have a few minutes to spare, so I'm gonna walk my butt down. I decided to put my hair up, so here's the fit.
Gentlemen, it's me, Chris Fashion, the king on the scene. Everywhere there needs to be seen. Front row view and all avenues and previews with what we do. You already know.
What's your inspiration in fashion?
Well, my inspiration for fashion comes from my hometown of Durban, South Africa. I'm from South Africa, which is known as the Rainbow Nation. So you have a whole diversion full of different cultures, different backgrounds, different ethnicities.